This robot was created in the ROP welding class held in San Diego Academy's high school metal shop. This class not only provides people with job training in the evenings, but funding for this ROP class also goes towards supplies used in the metal shop classes. It is because of this link, and nearly losing the ROP welding class for next year, that this project was created. Our duo promotes both the adult welding class and exposes the SDA student body to the maker movement. I have no doubt that losing the adult welding class will impact the student's shop, and that's something I'll work hard to protect. As someone who works in manufacturing and volunteers at this school's first robotics club, I've seen how valuable this shop has been for teaching students what engineering and industrial careers are about. The SDA Metal Shop is a unique resource for these students. By exposing the students to authentic manufacturing processes, this shop creates greater possibilities for their future.
I took this class because I've always wanted to learn how to weld. There are a whole lot of different circumstances where if I would have known how to weld, I could have gotten ahead faster with a lot less headaches, as well as the possibility of future employment.
I'm really into self-sufficiency, do-it-yourself. I believe in that strongly, and it's just a skill that I wanted to learn.
I took this course because I really wanted to learn how to weld. That was my main goal. I looked around and there was no places that I could go to a shop and just learn how to weld. No one was offering it. Courses were at least $1,000 for 3 weeks. I went to a chopper shop actually, and the owner there told me about this welding class at SDA.
Well, I've learned how to weld through Bob.
Bob is an amazing instructor.
The instructor is incredibly knowledgeable about everything.
My name is Robert Krogh. My profession is a welder.
Alright, you're through. Okay, stop. Now you're through it. So now get where you're going to cut, how you're going to cut, get back down to it, and get in the hole and steady and push it down and then start cutting.
I taught at Palomar for 15 years and took a break, and I've been teaching here for 8 years now.
He has a ton of experience, which was the best part about taking this course, was that you have this awesome instructor, you're not paying that much, and you can do every form of welding. Stick welding, MIG welding, TIG welding, it's all there.
I've had quite a few students that come in here, especially adults that are trying to better themselves, make more money, and they've come in and learned how to weld, got their certifications, gone out and got good jobs, and have called me and thanked me and said they're doing really great and they were appreciated for what I had taught them.
I fell upon this on luck, and so grateful I did. I've learned so much in such a short amount of time, and I can already see progression.
It would have been really hard for me to learn how to weld, and to get a job at a fab shop or a welding, anything in the industry, you need to be able to go in there and have a clue of how things work.
Actually, this course pushed me to buy my own welder and start my own little shop.
I'm very grateful that I got an opportunity, and I hope the best that it continues, because if it's just me getting this much out of it, people that are really pursuing something other than a hobby might really be enriched enough to really become successful later on in their years.